welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this glueless install for this curly wig. If you're going on vacation, I recommend that you watch this video so you guys can see how to quickly do your hair. I did some fluffy edges just because this goes very natural with this look. Since it's curly hair, this is very effortless, so you don't have to do too much and you don't have to take long getting ready if you're going away. Like you're going away, you're going to a fete, whatever the case is, you don't have to take long to get ready and you can look cute. So yeah, this wig is in collaboration with Westkiss hair. This is their box. This is their box right here. So I did have a little problem with them before, but I'm just, you know, trying the wig out just to see if they're update quality, and so far I am loving this hair. Keep in mind I just put it on right now, but I'm loving it right now. So what came in the box, they put 2 adjustable bands. These are the ones that you can sew into the wig if you want even more security with this glueless. And I'm gonna sew this into 2 of my wigs. I'm gonna sew into this one and another one. Remember I told y'all I'm going on vacation, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of glueless looks just because I don't want to have glue on my edges. And also when you use the spray method with the glue, when you sweat, it's gonna lift up because it's like water. So I take my wigs off at night with water, so I don't think I need to do a video showing that. But if you do want to see a video, I do have a video from a year ago. I'm gonna link it up here so you guys can check it out. But yeah, so this summer I'm very interested in doing a lot of like really glueless. Like these are ones I can just pull off of my head and just do the edges over, and then I'll be good to go. So they put this in the box, and this is very essential. They also put this wig cap. This specific wig came with the bag. So it came with this leopard print headband that looks like this. So even if you want to put on a headband with your wig, you can do that just to change up the style or whatever. You can do that. Thick velvet head wrap. This is super beautiful. I really like this. Wow. I've never seen one like this before. Have you guys seen a velvet head wrap before? I've never seen one like this. It has a little crown on it. It came with 2 of their Westkiss bonnets. Super beautiful Burberry inspired scarf. This is gorgeous. I probably am gonna wear this as like a swimsuit cover up. That would be so cute. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you guys can see the looks that I'm gonna do with this hair on vacation, because yeah. I'm so excited. Like you guys don't even understand. This is so beautiful. So okay, so this is the look. Make sure you guys visit Westkiss hair. I will have the links down below, and let's get right into this video. So I'm just gonna try out this one just to see if they up their quality, because I did tell them about it. I'm gonna link it down below, but if you guys want a really true review, message me in like a month and then I'll tell you if it's like shedding and stuff. It did not give me any problems. I washed it with this, well, hold on. I washed it with this shampoo, and this conditioner. I will have everything linked down below, and I use my diamond brush to get the ringlet curls at the ends, and I'm going to put some of this too. This is really good. So I'm gonna link my how I moisturize my curly hair video in the eye above so you guys can check it out. And if you want your curly hair to last long so you won't have to do the maintenance like every single day, that video will help you to make your wig last like 7 days. So I want to do a glueless video with this wig. So all I do for my glueless installs is just tighten the band on the inside and the back. I tighten it all the way tight so the wig is going to lay snug on my head. But before I do that, I'm going to cut off the lace. I'm going to put the 2-sided foundation inside the lace. I'm gonna link it down below. They did come up with a new packaging, so I'm gonna link that down below so you guys can check it out, whatever. And I'm gonna cut off the air tabs and everything. So I'm gonna play some music and you guys can watch me do that. This is so beautiful. Like it's very full and thick. I will have the density and all the specs in my description box with the link if you're interested, but this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2-sided foundation in the lace. I'm just going to use a flat brush. I don't need to show you guys this part. So do you guys remember when I tried the tailored crown lace tint? So I ran out of it and I was too lazy to make another batch of the one that I had made the last time. So I went to her website to buy one of her lace tints and she passed away. And that made me so sad yesterday. Like, I don't know, like, what the heck? Life is so short, and I really send condolences to her family because it's like, who would expect that? Like, she was posting perfectly fine in May. I don't know, man. That just really, like, I don't know. That's crazy. But yeah, that caught me off guard because I went on the website and it was like, the lace tint wasn't popping up. So I was like, what the heck? Maybe it's sold out or something. So I go to check her Instagram and then I see her family posted a picture of her and like saying that kind of stuff. But you can see the difference of the lace from up here and then where I put the foundation. Tell me if you guys want to see a video unbox. Oh, it's hot in here. I'm sweating. Oh, also I'm gonna link my makeup. This is like the same type of makeup I've been doing recently and I already have a video on it. And yeah, I have a video on it showing you guys exactly all the products and stuff. I linked all the products that I use in my description box. I did try out some new makeup too, so just check out all my videos if you guys want to see. Check out all the makeup videos if you guys want to see like the products I'll be using. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs, and then I'm gonna cut off the lace using this razor from Revlon. I'm gonna link it down below, the exact one that I use, because I really like this. You get 2 in a pack. I haven't worn curly hair in so long. This is so pretty. It's very full. My first wig was a curly wig, so I'm super excited about this. And even if you have to tie your wig in the back of your head, do that because you do not want this to be loose. The purpose of this glueless method is making sure that your wig is tight, making sure that it's snug to where it feels like it's not gonna fall off. I mean, you don't want it to give you a headache, and if it's giving you a headache, girl, you might just have to sew your wig down, okay? Tell me if you guys want to see a video of me doing a glueless sew-in of a wig, if that makes sense. So I put it all the way really tight in the back. You should have like a loop right there after you put it. Okay, if you're doing like a glue method, then you can go ahead and put your glue and everything and lay that down nicely. But since I'm not, I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing the edges. Make sure that, I do recommend using a comb, but I can't find a comb right now, so. Okay, and it should look like, hopefully it's not too bright. You should get something like this. And then the edges are gonna cover up any spots, any areas that's not staying down and cooperating. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take out the areas that I want to be edges. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna plug in my edges flat iron. I love it because it's very small. You can even get the smaller ones, but I'm gonna link this one down below just because this is my absolute favorite thing recently. I'm gonna use my scissors to take out the front areas that I want to be edges, and you see how nicely blended that is. This would be so beautiful if it was glued down. I mean, even if it's not glued down, it's really beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim it a little bit. You don't want to trim it too much because you still want space to curl, but you want to trim it to where it's not like too much in your eyes. I'm gonna take some out of the top. You could do it to your liking. I'm just doing edges because I know that it's gonna cover any area that the lace wants to lift. And keep in mind, this is not gonna blow off your head just because you have that band in the back very tight, so your wig is not going anywhere. If you're a teenager and you like to fight and you have like childish fake friends, I don't recommend doing this to your hair outside, to go outside, because they're gonna pull your shit off your head and you're gonna be very embarrassed, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the flat iron and I'm gonna curl this going underneath. And then I'm just gonna curl a whole bunch of them all over the hairline. Okay, and now that it's all curled and stuff, now you can go ahead and lay it down how you want to. So for me, I'm gonna be using some gel. Actually, I'm just gonna be using some spray. I'm gonna use some spray. And I'm going to kind of lay down the root area. Wait, this is too long. Trim that shit. So for the side part right here, I like to just take a little bit and put it right there. And I normally don't even tie it down or anything, because when it comes to a wig, the wig does not poof up like how my natural hair would. So I don't really bother too much. I just make sure that the top area here is not noticeable. As you can see, it looks very, very natural. And to take this wig off, you just take it off as regular. It's not gonna hurt you or nothing like that. But this is the final product. This is how the hair looks. This is the lace. If I wanted to part it, it stops right here. Oh, this is very bright. If I wanted to part it, the lace stops right here. But I'm just gonna wear it in a flip over method because I feel like that's giving very much tropical vibes. So this is the end result. This is how big the hair is. Super gorgeous. It's definitely a tropical vibe. So it's definitely a tropical vibe. Make sure you guys visit Westkiss hair. So I will have all the links to this beautiful wig down below. I love, love, love curly hair. This hair is definitely a vibe. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye. I just wanted to show you really quick how easy it is to just put it back on. I just pulled it off my head because and you can use your edges brush to put it back on, but this is how quick and easy it is to put the wig back on.